Yes, you read the title correctly. Today, we're racing the... What are we doing?
Finally taking her to the track, man.
How excited are you?
I'm so beyond stoked that this car was literally in a field like 4 months ago. And now we're going and taking its first debut run to none less than the fastest road in the West.
Route 66?
No, unfortunately.
Oh.
Willow Springs.
Oh, wow.
People dream of going there. It's one of the best tracks, but hey, check all this out.
So these are all new additions that Clive and Connor have put on the car since we've last been there. Nico is sitting in the seat. The rest of the roll cage has been added. We put a little bit of, you know, safety bumpers in there, so if you bump your head while you're driving, you won't get a concussion, hopefully. New tachometer.
Which is fully functional.
Yeah.
We've already set the red line light on it. We have a working, I see past the hardest part here, we got working temp gauge, working fuel gauge, which is going to be awesome for lemons. No speedo yet. Oh yeah, we have our trusty little shift boot here. It's from Crown Royale.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor, but should be for Clive. Got everything. Got everything. This thing's ready to hit the track.
We have also new tires and rims. A little bit new paint job. Not too new, but the piece de resistance, the pig. So let's get it loaded up and head there. So, we've made it almost to Willow Springs. We're right down the street getting some gas at the local gas station, the local Chevron. Ow! And Nico, are you ready? Are you excited?
I'm so excited, man. I'm like...
Well, shut up. Get in the car. Let's go. I'm not gonna shut up. Here. Yeah, I got you a drink. Right. Yeah, no, give it back now. What? Do you want, you said you didn't want anything.
I might have said that. I don't remember if I said that.
Yes, you did.
I believe you. What? That Gatorade doesn't look mighty fine.
Do you want it? Well, you should have asked.
I might take a sip.
No, you should have asked. I'm not offering.
Yeah? Oh, in a little bit, thank you.
Oh, what? Okay. You don't get to choose when you get your little sip.
I don't?
No. There is.
This is the fastest road in the West. It's a very fast race course. And it's our first time, not only for Clive and I on the track, this is also the first time that we're going to be driving the MGB at a considerable speed, so...
yeah, at pretty much any speed, to be honest.
What happened?
Pretty much any speed, to be honest. I've driven it like maybe 30. Should be exciting. Hopefully, you know.
Exciting is an understatement.
Look at that Dodge Viper. Oh, he's going to the track. Yeah.
I'm actually concerned because they don't have a great reputation of...
What are you talking about?
If that's the right one,
Dodge Vipers have great racing track. They do great at 24 Hours of Le Mans.
We are. we're here.
No worries, man.
Wow, look at that NSX. Holy cow.
We need a face mask. Someone pass me one. Thank you. This guy didn't give a fuck, actually.
No nannies.
America's first purpose-built road racing circuit. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be the oldest racetrack in the country.
We're gonna ignore the fact there's a Mark IV Super just chilling right there at that house.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Wow, nice water jug.
Thank you. Howdy.
Morning.
Good, how are you?
Good.
All right. It's gonna be everybody's print sign. It's gonna be $45.
Okay, perfect.
Oh man, this is it. Fees are paid. We're gonna tackle it. We're literally pulling the car off the trailer, and it's time to suit up and get at it. I'm like in a weird zone. It's hard to really describe. I'm just like my mind is switching gears right now.
Done.
Fucking up our bike in the front.
All right, let's go fix this now. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Let's go. See you on the track, baby. Well, guys, that is going to do it for track day, for test and tune day with the MGB. We ended up blowing a head gasket seal. What do we blow?
The leaky valve cover gasket, man.
We have a leaky valve cover gasket. It was spewing oil on the last set of laps that Clive was doing. So we got to take it back. We got to do some R&D. We got to fix a couple things, and then we'll be back at the track before you know it, racing